Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to tag products in Instagram Reels. This is perfect for showcasing items and driving sales directly from your content. And here's how to do it. First, make sure that you have a shop set up on Instagram and your account is connected to Facebook Commerce Manager. Then, open the Instagram and create a new reel like you normally would. And once you finish editing, tap Next. Then on the share screen, tap Tag People. Then choose a video stamps where you want the product tag to appear. Then here in the search and select the product from your catalog and tap Done. Then share your reel. Viewers will now able to tap the product tag and shop directly from your video. And that's how you tag products in Instagram Reels to turn views into purchases. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.